As a live streamer, I'm constantly looking for additional social media platforms that I can go live on. And so far, I can go live on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Twitch, but that is not enough for this lady. And recently, I have become obsessed with Amazon Live. And I really enjoy going live on Amazon, and Amazon Live has already been generating income for me, which I love. I mean, as a live streamer who doesn't enjoy monetizing your own live streaming show. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually use Streamyard to go live on Amazon Live, okay? So if you have never heard of Amazon Live, if you are interested in learning more about Amazon Live, or to apply to gain access to Amazon Live yourself, I have an entire training in the chat box. So check it out. In that training, I explain to you what is Amazon Live, a step-by-step masterclass to show you how you can actually apply to become an Amazon influencer to go live on Amazon. Okay, so let's get, this video is going to focus on specifically using StreamYard to go live on Amazon Live. So I'm going to share my screen. So here we are already on my StreamYard page. And first of all, you need to add a destination to your StreamYard platform, okay? So here, click on destination. As you can see that I already have a bunch of destinations. So I already added Amazon Live. I'm going to remove it for now. And I have my Facebook, Twitter, and all the different channels that I actually go live. And you want to add Amazon Live to this list of destinations. So click on Add Destination. And you will quickly discover that among all the destinations, and there's no Amazon Live, okay? They offered Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Periscope, or Twitter, Twitch. So what you need to do is to click on this black box, Customer RTMP. So click on that. And this is how you add Amazon to your list of destinations, okay? And so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, okay? So you will need some specific information here, and we can only get this information from our Amazon Live Creator app, okay? So if you have access to Amazon Live, make sure you downloaded the Creator app, okay? I'm going to stop sharing this, and I'm going to share my screen again. I'm going to show you on my phone how to actually do this. And so here we are looking at my cell phone screen. And again, Amazon Live is only available to those people who are iOS users. So I'm using my iPhone as an example. And as you can see here, I have this app, Amazon Live Creators app downloaded, and you click on it. And then, so here you can see like please feel free to follow me on Amazon Live. I have 35 followers on Amazon Live, and the lowest level of Amazon Live is influencer. So I got upgraded from the influencer level to the insider level, okay? The highest level is an A-list level, but I'm not there yet. But you can see the requirement. So far, I only have 35 followers. So you need to get to 2K. And also depending on how much money you have sold, stuff you have sold. And so you see everything. And then here are all of my live streams. So I have gone live on Amazon Live 10 times. And and some other information here, okay? So I'm going to show you how to add the required information to Streamyard so that you can actually use Streamyard to go live on Amazon Live. Okay, so what you need to do is here at the bottom of the screen, you see the plus icon, click on it. So this is how you schedule a new live stream. And you need to add a thumbnail, you need to add an image. And so for example, I'm just like randomly selecting. So this interview I already did, a thumbnail. So I click on choose. And then you can add specific products to your store. That's another topic. And then you can add a title, what you want your title to be. That's another topic. But let's focus on adding the necessary information to Streamyard so that you can use Streamyard to live stream to Amazon Live. So what you need to do is here, video source, and click on phone camera. So make sure you select, so right now it's phone camera. So make sure you select external camera. And then you will see once you select that, and they will ask you get URL and the stream key. That is the information that StreamYard is asking for you to provide. Okay, so copy and paste this. So I copied this. And what I typically do is that I open another document. So let me stop share this. And I open a document. And then you want to copy and paste the information that I have just copy and pasted. So let's say that I'm going to send the information. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I don't know why this is now copy and pasting. Okay, so I got it and I got the information, and then hold on, let me find the information. It's I showed you earlier, you just copy and paste that, and then let me share my applications. I actually send through a WhatsApp a message. So, okay, so this is the information. I'll close this. And I just copy and paste the information here, okay? I want to make sure that you can see my screen here. So what I just did was that when I was sharing the screen of my phone, and I copied and pasted that link, and I copy and paste that link. So this is the information that I have copied and pasted. I'll make this look a little bit bigger. So this is the information that StreamYard will need for add this to StreamYard. Okay, so this is the information, and I'm going to go back to share my screen and to show you StreamYard. Okay, hold on for a second. As you can see here, you have the server link. You also have the stream key. Okay, that is what Amazon Live or StreamYard is looking for. So let's go back to StreamYard. Share my screen, StreamYard, here we come. So StreamYard, again, you can see here, they're looking for the server URL, the link, right? So we already copy and pasted from that. So I'm going to just use that document here. And you just enter that. And you also need a stream key, which is also what we got from the creator app. So copy and paste that. And so nickname, I typically just call this Amazon Live so that I can differentiate from Facebook Live, LinkedIn Live, all the other channels. Amazon Live. And you don't need to worry about this. You don't need a server password. So once you have all the information, again, we got the information from the Amazon Live Creators app. I can share my screen with you again. And then that's it. You're all set. So once you go back to destination, and here we are, we have Amazon Live. Okay, so you do not have to do this every single time when you actually go live. The key, the link, they stay the same for every single live stream, which is perfect. So you just need to enter this once, then everything is taken care of. Okay, and let's say that you want to schedule a live stream. You can select, all the channels, like for me, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, and Amazon Live. Okay, so once you schedule all of them, and then you are ready to go. And I want to share my screen, my phone screen with you again to show you one final step. Share screen. And so here we are again. And if you remember, and this is where we were earlier. Let me close this. And remember, this is how we copied and pasted that code where we got the link. That's this, copy and paste, share that. That's what we did. And so once you did that and press save, and then it seems like I need to add a title to show you guys. So click on this, add a title, how to do copywriting. I'm just like, how to do copy, okay. And then I select the show time. So I'm just randomly selecting a time and press save. And so everything is good, right? And then you also need to add some products. So I'm going to add, I'm just randomly adding some, just adding my podcast here. Go back. So we are good to go, okay? Once you have all the information here, the key is that to add Amazon Live to Streamyard is the information here. You want to make sure to select external camera, and here you press preview, and that's it. So you want to go live on Streamyard first. When you press going live on Streamyard, and if there is a delay, you wait for a few seconds, and here the pink color will become actually darker, activated, and then you press here. So go live on Streamyard first, and then press go live here, and then you'll be able to go live on Amazon Live through Streamyard. I hope this is good. Again, my name is Dr. I, the founder of Classroom Without Walls. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy using Streamyard and enjoy using Amazon Live.